Today's data center networks are large, complex, and overloaded. Here's a typical example. There are multiple layers with many switches and different management systems for the different devices. This has created lots of challenges for IT executives like poor performance, network downtime, lost data, security risks, and soaring IT costs. In a world where IT must reduce costs, customers are demanding better, faster, and secure access to all applications wherever they may be. HP is changing the rules of networking. How so, you may ask? There are 4 components of the HP networking solution that allow our customers to reduce their total cost of ownership by up to 66%. The A12500 switch series, the A5820 switch series, the Tipping Point Secure Virtualization Framework, and the Intelligent Management Center. Now let's look at the HP Transform network on the right. On the top, you can see the A12500, and below it is the A5820, and below it are a number of servers. These switches have a unique HP technology called the Intelligent Resilient Framework, IRF, that optimizes all the connections in the network. In addition, HP's FlexFabric technology allows us to collapse the number of layers and reduce the number of switches. In the legacy example on the left, if layer 2 wants to communicate with layer 3, it must connect through many hops. It seems silly to do this when networking performance is so important. What about HP? As you can see, HP's IRF technology allows for a single hop between servers. And here's what that means to customers. It doubles network performance. It reduces data center complexity by 85%. It eliminates the worry around backup and disaster recovery. It improves service levels and 5 nines availability. And it allows customers to roll out new applications in minutes instead of days. According to Gartner, the #1 technology priority of CIOs is data center security. HP has solved network security with the Tipping Point Secure Virtualization Framework, or what we like to call SVF. People are concerned about the security of both physical and virtual systems, as well as multi-tenant applications and cloud computing. How can we ensure network security for all this? The answer is Tipping Point. Tipping Point guarantees consistent, unified security across all physical and virtual machines. Why do customers choose Tipping Point? Tipping Point is easy to deploy and manage. 76% of the time, customers deploy it in less than 2 hours. Tipping Point has the most accurate filtering performance on the market, which keeps you more secure. Tipping Point provides the reporting needed for security policy compliance. Security enforcement with Tipping Point is completely automatic. It's like a traffic light for your network. The system automatically detects the threat, creates a fix for it, and makes the network safe again. And it's all automated without any intervention needed. Bottom line is Tipping Point eliminates the worry around security. Lastly, with any network, there is always the question of how does one manage all these different network components. HP makes this a snap with our Intelligent Management Center, or IMC. You can see the network we've been discussing, but what about other products such as HP routers, wireless controllers, and access points? With IMC, we are able to manage the entire network with one management console, or as we like to say, a single pane of glass. What about other vendors' products? We're glad you asked. IMC can manage over 2,000 devices from 35 different vendors, including over 1,000 from Cisco. Deploying IMC will give you complete visibility and control across your network while greatly reducing the resources needed to manage it. So, in conclusion, HP is changing the rules of networking by transforming your data center. And with HP networking, you can reduce your total cost of ownership by up to 66%. Thanks for watching.